Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're catching up with Elizabeth Wettlaufer, the former nurse who confessed to killing 8 elderly patients and attempting to murder several others in Ontario. With her story still shocking many, the question remains, where is Elizabeth Wettlaufer now? Let's break it all down. Elizabeth Wettlaufer was a registered nurse in southwestern Ontario who between 2007 and 2016 murdered 8 seniors and attempted to murder at least 6 more by injecting them with insulin. She pleaded guilty in 2017 to 8 counts of first-degree murder, 4 counts of attempted murder, and 2 counts of aggravated assault. She is widely considered one of Canada's worst healthcare serial killers. After her confession and plea, Wettlaufer was sentenced to life imprisonment with no possibility of parole for 25 years. A public inquiry was launched in Ontario that found major systemic failures in long-term care homes, saying that Wettlaufer likely would not have been caught if she hadn't confessed. In 2018, she was transferred from a women's prison to a secure psychiatric facility in Montreal for medical, mental health treatment. Where is Elizabeth Wettlaufer now? As of now, Elizabeth Wettlaufer remains incarcerated under life sentence. While prisoners' exact locations are often not disclosed publicly for security and privacy reasons, she is known to be serving time in Canada's federal correctional system and has been transferred to secure mental health or medical care facilities. She remains in custody with no eligibility for parole until at least 2042. Elizabeth Wettlaufer's case continues to haunt Canada's healthcare and legal systems. Her crimes, investigation, and sentencing sparked major reforms in how vulnerable patients are protected. Today, while she is behind bars, the impact of her actions and the inquiry into them still reverberate across long-term care homes and regulatory bodies.